Hey everyone, this is Homeschool Arcade, helping educators thrive. And in today's video, we're going to be covering 4 gift ideas for homeschool kids. And don't forget, click subscribe and the bell so you'll be notified every time we come out with new content. All right, let's get to it. Now, one of the first gift ideas is probably one that goes without explanation because kids ask for it all year long, but technology. Technology is a good idea. All kinds of tech can be helpful. Personally, if you want to give a gift of tech but at a budget, I would consider looking at the Amazon Fire. It's good for downloading books at prices a little cheaper than buying like an entire iPad. It also can handle some basic communication functions and some minor games if you want to use it for that type of thing. Now, on average, you can find them for about between 30 and 40 bucks, so it doesn't need to break the bank. Another idea is art supplies, crayons, finger paint, water paint, markers, clay, or coloring kits. No matter the age of your kid, there are tons of appropriate options for fun art supplies. Now, an example of something you might want to consider might be something kind of like what we've bought for our kid is the Crayola Inspiration Art Set with the carrying case. It has about 140 pieces and a neat briefcase to keep it all organized, and it costs about $20. So it might be a good place to start if you're thinking about getting some art supplies. Now, a third idea for gifts for homeschooling kids would be, well, science. The great thing about science is that it can be fun and educational. Now, last year we bought this little item, and it's the Magic School Bus Chemistry Lab. Here we go. Now, this kit comes with all the supplies needed except for a couple common household items, and the detailed experiment cards are inside to help guide you through both the fun and the education of this chemistry science STEM kit. So, for kids, this might be a great learning toy. Now, we did a few of them, and this was a great way for the kids to have fun. And it's around $25. So, now another science thing that we also tried is actually a pop bottle experiment kit. Now, this one's been used. As you can tell, there's not much in it left. That's because we had fun with it all. Now, some of y'all call it a soda bottle, but for about 20 bucks, you can learn a number of science experiments using a pop bottle. And if you want to see an example of one of those, check out our cork bottle experiment or our worm farm. Now, last homeschooling gift idea for kids would be give them the gift of experiences or helpful memberships. You know, consider investigating whether it's through sports, science clubs, interactive communities. You have a chance to invest in learning and building community as well. Now, presently, we're doing a trial with OutSchool for one of our kids where they're virtually learning with other people and with a live instructor. And my daughter Celia is taking a class that deals with drawing. And this is a weekly or a monthly subscription based on the class you choose to take. But OutSchool, there's a whole list of possibilities you can do. The particular class we're doing involves art and drawing and runs about $12 a week. But the good news is you don't have to do it all year long, and you can stop whenever you want. And I can tell you for sure, my daughter loves it. Right, Celia? All right. Now, I hope you enjoyed these gift ideas for homeschool kids, and we've put links for all of these gift ideas in the description, so don't forget to check that out. And don't forget to click like and subscribe to see some of our other videos. Also, check out our video on gift ideas for homeschooling parents as well.